Welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy D, and this is, of course, Drink, Smoke, Build. And today, we're going to be charging the AC again on the 94 Chevy 3/4 ton OBS pickup. Almost exactly a year ago, I did a video about this using the Arctic Freeze system, and it has since leaked out, but it did last me all the way through until about mid-spring. So we're gonna go ahead and charge it again. I do realize that this is not the correct way and that I should take it to a shop and have them use their machine to pull a vacuum on the system, but this is still a whole lot cheaper than that and should get me through the rest of the hot season here in Oklahoma. And we have had temperatures well into the hundreds for 2 months now. The Freon that we're going to be using this time isn't the Arctic Freeze. We're going to be using these cans that I got from O'Reilly's, actually fairly cheap. Don't exactly remember the price. I'll post it up here on the screen. But the first thing that we are going to do is locate the port right here. I believe this is what they call the low side. You can watch my other video. There will be a link in the description below. But we know where that's at now, so we're gonna go start the truck. And then of course make sure that the AC is on, the recirculation is on, and that it's at the highest fan speed. So I'm gonna check the pressure. As you can see, we still have some pressure in the system, but it is low, and we wanna get it up to that green zone. Shake the can. Oh, there's the clutch kicking in. I think that's been about 15 seconds. Let that stabilize, and then do it again. You can hear the clutch staying on longer. Still haven't hit the green yet. We've emptied that can. We're going to add a little more. It's already cold in the cab. Don't want to overcharge the system, so I probably won't dump this whole can in. All right. That's it, we're done. Is that nice and cool, Billy? Ice cold. Feeling great. Even my boy wanted to come in and get cooled off. Again, like I said, this is not exactly the proper way to do it, but it is the cheapest way by far, and like I said, should get me through this hot season. Now if I actually end up having to replace the whole system at some point, that's okay, that's not a big deal, but I feel like I've gotten a year out of this already, so see if I can push it and get another year without having to do that. I'll be having quite a bit more content about the OBS. I know you guys like the OBS videos. I get tons of views on them. So I am going to be trying to finish up the body on this soon. So definitely subscribe if you haven't, comment below and let me know what you thought of this video, or maybe what you think I should do with this truck. Thanks for watching, you guys. Billy D, chilling on out of here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.